everybody, Denny here. Let's head on over to the easel and get the base color for Jennifer's bear in. I know it's not the most exciting part, but it's very important that we do this right, okay? Let's head on over to the easel. Meet you there. And here we go. Alrighty. Now, we're going to start right here in the middle, activating the watercolor pencil. Okay. Now we'll get the base of this bear's color in today, and tomorrow we will do the amendments to it to really bring it together. But today we're just getting him in there. Okay. And again, I've used my watercolor pencil because I don't have enough time to do all of this just with the paint, because I have other platforms that I cannot take a lot of time on. Okay, so we got to keep these at right about 3 minutes. So for right now, the bear has got his base color started, and that's good. Now tomorrow we'll be darkening areas and such as that. But this is the important part, because this gives us a base color from which we go from. Okay? So be with me tomorrow, and we'll pull the bear into shape and darken some and lighten some and put some detail in, and we'll have Jennifer's bear setting and ready to go. So be with me tomorrow. Be sure to like, subscribe, follow, leave comments, and for goodness sakes, never forget that Ann and I love you. We love you, we love you, we love you. All righty, we got that in. Now tomorrow, we get down and serious about giving Jennifer's bear everything that it needs to be the bear that he is. I'll meet you tomorrow, and remember that Ann and I love you. We love you, we love you.